Yo, what's up? Welcome. Alright, I'm going to do my pros and cons of the GoPro. I had it for about a month. My homie, aka my child, if you're in the car scene or DMV, you probably know him as Full Sin Keith, aka CSR Racing. His link will be down below. Like, he got some accessories, and I saw his vlogs. And also, I look at a YouTuber. He vlogs constantly with the GoPro. His name is David Franco. I'll link him down below as well. He did a review on it, and he like I said, he does daily vlogs. Well, not daily vlogs, but long vlogs during the weekend. But he also encouraged me to get it. Well, not he didn't talk to me, but just looking at his vlogs, I just decided to pull the trigger. I'm gonna do my pros and cons. So this is, if you're a car enthusiast, this is mostly for us. So if you're like a daily vlog, I don't really vlog with this. It's mostly for POV driving, just driving around looking for modified cars to cruise or race with in Mexico. But the first con, these are not in order of any at all, but the first con is it's very, and I do have notes, so I do apologize for not looking at the camera, but it's very good in the daylight, depending if you know how to do the settings. I'm somewhat familiar with settings because I do vlog and stuff, so I am somewhat familiar with that. So knowing your settings and knowing how to do settings is should be a must. So, and there's also channels out there that can help you with that. I found some. If I can remember, I'll link them down below. Yeah, like I said, you need to know your settings. The stabilization on it is very good. Like, I did a test. I don't want to share footage of this vlog because you're probably gonna see like years later because I'm so behind. But I'll post the car meet that my car club did here if I remember, if I can find it, because I'm so behind. But post it somewhere here. It's very good with stabilization. It's amazing. So that's number 2. Number 3 for the pros is the accessories you can get with the GoPro is amazing. Like, they are very pricey compared to other action cameras, but the accessories you can get with GoPro is very good. And this is number 4 as far as the pros. I'm not sure if this count, maybe for us car enthusiasts, but it is very addicting, especially like when you find other cars and you're just driving around, you see other cars you can mob and race with in Mexico. It's very addicting. Like, it's like on my days off, when I do have a day off, like, I just want to go out and drive and find cars to cruise with, or just cruise in general. In general, sorry, words are hard. Just to find like other cars to cruise with, or just to drive around in case I do find something. So that is very addicting. That's number 4. Number 5, like, I was expecting it to be heavy on my head with the head strap, but it's not heavy at all. It's like, it's light, but you can still tell that it's there. But it's actually pretty comfortable and pretty light. But me, I tend to have it tight, but it's very comfortable actually. Number 6 is you can charge the battery in your car depending on the year of your car though. Me, I have a portable AC outlet charger, but you can also plug it into the USB of your car and charge it like that. But you have to make sure you have to play around with it depending on your car. I don't know, but yeah, man, you can charge it, especially nowadays, because most cars have USB if it's newer. Or even with the phone thing, if they have a USB port like in the back of it or whatever, you can do that. Number 7 is the Quick app. I love it because you can see what you're going to record before you press record. I love that, because there's been times when my GoPro's been crooked, or it's just like it was up too much. So that the Quick app came in handy. So hopefully they do not get rid of that app. Now these are the cons. Compared to other action cameras, con number 1, but compared to other action cameras, like, it's very expensive. And some of the action cameras are better in certain situations, but even the accessories for a GoPro is like very expensive compared to other ones. Con number 2, like, it's very bad in low light. because I do a lot of night driving, because that's when most of us are out. Most of us car enthusiasts are out. Like, it's very bad and low light compared to other action cameras. It's one that starts with an A that's very good. I forgot what it's called, but it's very good in low light. Like, I've seen people like do tests, and compared to what I've seen, it's very bad. But, and especially like at 1K, like, it's very bad at low light. Even at 2K, it's very bad at low light. So that's another con that I dislike compared to other action cameras. The battery, it dies very. Number 4 con, sorry. The battery dies. Number 3, I'm sorry. Con number 3, it dies very fast. So you have to have multiple batteries. Like, it dies within an hour to 2 hours compared to other action cameras. And con number 4, like, the batteries, because I have a GoPro Hero 8, it's not compatible with, the battery is, the GoPro Hero 8 battery is not compatible with GoPro Hero 9, which is sad because you have to buy a whole new set of batteries. Con number 5, the memory card, especially if you have big hands, it's hard to get out. Like, cause it's in like a little, especially like the micro SD cards, like, it's so hard to get out, bro. But I found the trick. My Canon camera is horrible too, so the autofocus is horrible, but it's like a little slot here, right there, if you can see that. Like, you can take the battery out and stuff, but it's hard to get out the SD card. Number 6, con number 6, the voice commands, like, they work when they want. Like, they do not always work. So I just turned it off. Like, it doesn't, for mine, like, it works 1% of the time. Like, it hardly ever works. Con number 7, I can count. The con number 7, like, I wish maybe, I'm not sure if they did this on the GoPro 9, but I wish the battery compartment and the power button were on different sides, because the battery compartment is on this side right here, and it's annoying because you can't fully open it all the time. It's something minor, but you know, nothing's gonna be perfect. I don't expect everything to be perfect. I'm just saying these are my cons. But the battery compartment, like, you have to play with it. Whereas if it was on this side, you can open it all the way and easily take the battery out. But that's the only thing. But yeah, man. But other than that, I do like the GoPro. It's just like, it's very expensive compared to the other action cameras you can get, and especially, you know, those little minor concerns. But if you have any questions, feel free to comment it down below. If I did not cover anything, or if I did not answer any questions, like I said, comment it down below. Oh, and also, to the guy, I was at a school, I'm not going to say what it was. You had a 350Z, whoever you were that did that burnout, bro, I love you, bro. You're amazing. But, yeah, man, if anyone in the DMV that's free in the Largo, Lanham area on Thursdays, you want to do a GoPro run, let me know. My car is slow in stock, but I don't care. It's broke, cracked axle, whatever. But hit me up. All my links will be down below. I do answer my stuff. But y'all stay humble. Y'all stay driven. F cancer. Peace, and I'm out.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself.